GRPS2.
Maayong balita alang sa tanan. Ang MMML Recruitment Services Incorporated nang ginahanglan og domestic helper, babae, 24 to 42 years old, para sa Kuwait, Qatar, Dubai, Jordan, Bahrain ug Saudi Arabia. Aduna usab sila'y libreng serbisyo sa PSA, NBI, passport, pre-medical, final medical, accommodation, transportation, PIDOS, TESDA ug OWA. $400 ang minimum nga sweldo, no salary deduction, no placement fee. Do no sub-skilled categories ang MMML Recruitment Services Incorporated. Registered nurse ug physical therapist bound for Washington ug occupational therapist bound for New Jersey sa United States. With requirements, samasa 1-year experience, valid PRC license, certificates and credentials, passport copy with 2x2 ID picture and whole body picture, resume, knowledgeable in English, and with pleasing personality. Ang MMML Recruitment Services Incorporated mupahigayon og special recruitment activity karong June 18 to 19, 2025 sa PESA Office, Balay Paglaom Building, Municipal Compound, Feeder Road 3, Santo Tomas, Davao del Norte. Alang sa dugang kasayuran, pagkikita kay Jocelyn P. Pilones, MMML Branch Manager sa Tagum City. Ang ilang opisina ana makita sa 2nd floor, Rumark Building, Purok Arellano, Magugpo Poblasyon, Carlas Photo House, Rizal Street, Tagum City. O di ba ka, text o tawag sa 0951-037-5128, 0927-952-2214 o sa 0948-147-2113. Ang MMML Recruitment Services Incorporated dunay DMW license number 108-LB-0608-2023-R. Mag-ingat sa illegal na recruiter.